Hello, today uh, we're going to see how to withdraw money requests in Alipay. This is really easy to withdraw money in this app. We're going to click this uh, message option right here. Okay, once we once we click this button right here, we're gonna see all our contacts. Okay, we're gonna select the contact that send us the money. In this case, we're gonna click this one, and right here you can see uh, this transfer. Okay, this person may, in your case, you're going to see another person, but in this case, the person will transfer something like that. You need to do, the only thing you need to do is click this message. You're going to click once, and once you click this button, you're going to click withdraw right here, and there you go. This is how you withdraw money request in Alipay. This really easy, simple, and that is really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.